So we're at Lincoln Street level crossing in Nottingham. The road going on top.
Bang!
Yeah, they all do.
Bang! Bang!
There we go. The time is 16:29 on Saturday, the 13th of February 2016. This is for our 16:35. 2 whiskey shots to Eastern train service from Nottingham to Worksop, and our 16:30.
I'm filming off the bridge, Joe.
Go!
I don't know where that's going to, guys, but that's tram 123, tram number 231 going to Old Market Square. Modern tram. Just left David Lane tram stop. There's a tram coming as well. Tram number 202 to Phoenix Park, I think that said. Going to David Lane tram stop. And we have a train there going from, I think it's Worksop to Nottingham, this train is. It's just over there. Can't zoom in on an iPad. But it's just over there, about to go over the crossing now. In fact, I was filming here actually. I like filming off bridges. We have 158, 854. 158, 854 to Nottingham. Oh, we have another one as well. We have another train coming. I think that says work. Yeah, this is going to Worksop, and we have 156, 415. 156, 415 to Worksop, and the crossings go up. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.